right, today we are at the beach and we're cooking in the van, and we have wife, cousin, and sister. We're making some orange chicken. Got the propane going. Nice little setup here.
Smile, honey.
In order to get a more balanced meal, we're gonna do some fried rice as well. Oh no. That was bad. How was food?
So good. Wow, that's quite close.
Delicious.
It's very good. Cheers.
Yum, yum, yum.
Very
How was
delicious.
food? Yay.
Oh, I got hair in it.
Oh no.
Oh man, that's not as good.
Sierra's being all artsy with her camera, making the second bat. Oh, never mind. She's just still working on the fried rice. So here we are over at the ocean, and then right over there is the van with all the eaters.
If I need a happy day. La La Land.
Good food. We're gonna go on to the beach next. I will not be bringing this one, but I'll bring this one.
I'm coming.
Thank you.
I got you some seaweed.
You're so cute.
Gift?
Wow. For you, my brother.
A gift!
You're so happy.
Look how big it can get. Ah! It's so big.
Oh. Why doesn't he dance with me like that?
The best part of gift is popping the bubbles. Crunchy bubbles. Yeah, best part of gift is crunchy.
Oh, I thought it was swinging it around in a circle.
Thank you. I feel so good about this. Woo! Nice! There you go. Woo!
Oh boy. Originally, everyone was saying it was too cold to hop in the ocean, and now everyone's saying that it is a good temperature to hop in the ocean. So I'm going and grabbing swimsuits. Yay. All right, so we just went swimming in the water. It's November, but yeah, it was good. Lots of water. We were like swimming for like, I don't know, like a half hour or so. It was not warm water, but it was fun.